It is one of the simplest things you can do to your hair, and probably one of the most inexpensive that will have the most transformation of your hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Sylvia. I'm a professional hairdresser that brings you luxe at-home hair. For those of you that are returning, you may have remembered a video that I put out years ago about chelating your hair. So basically, to chelate the hair means to strip the hair of all unwanted pigment, elements, debris, basically everything you don't want in your hair in order to leave shiny, beautiful, bouncy, healthy looking hair. So in my very broke, very poor cosmetology school years, I learned that you could chelate with either lemon juice or Dawn dish soap. And that's the video that I made. And I've always been pretty daring as a hairdresser on my channel and have always brought you things that I personally love to do to my hair that I feel will help you, despite sometimes being criticized by either other hairdressers. But at the end of the day, my philosophy has always been, if it helps one person and 10 people are annoyed by it, I'm focusing on the one person that I am helping. And because that video actually got a lot of traction, and it's still probably one of the videos that everyone that either meets me or a client that is sitting in my chair will bring up. And so the tip I have for you today, I can't believe I've never made a dedicated video for this, but it is one of the simplest things you can do to your hair, and probably one of the most inexpensive that will have the most transformation of your hair. And for that, we use these magical Malibu C packets. When I first discovered these and started using these in the salon, it completely changed my way of not only doing hair, but even also now how I color and tone hair. So whether your hair is feeling dry and dull, or way overtoned, or if your ends just simply look brassy, fatigued, and a completely different shade than the rest. All of these are signs that the hair just has an accumulation of the elements in the air and either way too much processing, whether it's of color or of heat. So just quickly, I'm going to go over what these little packets do. First of all, they're these little packets with these little crystals inside that you, in the shower or at the shampoo bowl, dump onto your hands. Once your hands are wet, you massage into your hands until it creates a paste. And then you massage that paste through your hair. I always like to start at the ends because that's normally where the hair needs the most help. So what this essentially does is a deep cleanse into the hair without damaging it. So what will be left is actually shinier, healthier, more beautiful hair than before. Now these Malibu C packets don't contain any bleach. That is the beauty in these. So these are quite different than, say, a color remover, color oops. Those products actually contain a very low dose of lightener, which is what removes color. Now what these will do, these will remove everything that's just sitting on the surface of your hair. So if your hair is already lightened, this will make your hair even lighter. Because when we're lightening the hair, we are removing pigment, right? So then normally after we either tone, some of us overtone, some of us overuse purple shampoo. And with time, the hair tends to start looking dull if it is overtoned, just from the elements. This is going to remove all of that. The worst thing that can happen is if you remove too much toner and then your hair starts to go a little bit yellow. So I would always recommend, especially for blondes, if you're going to be doing this, always follow with a good quality purple shampoo. My personal favorite is the Finola Purple or the Finola Blue if you're brunette, just so that you can cleanse the hair of everything it doesn't need and just add back a little bit of pigment if needed. The difference between these is the brown one is for hard water. So this is great for brunettes, redheads, when you want to bring a shine back into the hair. This is going to eliminate brassiness, discoloration, removes minerals from your hair, and just leaves your hair purified. So if you don't have a water softener in your shower, you will absolutely love these. Blondes can absolutely use these as well, but if you are blonde, I definitely recommend the Malibu blondes. So I've always said on my channel that in order for blonde to be beautiful, it needs to be healthy and it needs to be shiny. You can't ever get beautiful blonde color on hair that is dry, fatigued, and straw-like. This brightens blonde hair and it restores a vibrant color and shine. The additional benefit of the Malibu Blonde is that it also infuses the hair back with some vital moisture. So I've always gotten these where I get my color where you need to be licensed. This year during the lockdown, I could not find them anywhere. And I resorted to Amazon and found them. So I've now added them to my Amazon shop, which I will leave a link down below. And as far as how often you use these, I try to use them at least once a month. With my clients in the salon, almost every single blonde client, I will use one of these. Another great use for these is actually into the colder fall and winter months when everyone's kind of wanting more of this toned down hair color, but you still want a pop. So if you've ever overtoned your hair, or if you have in this lockdown have been trying different things and you feel like your hair is now just an accumulation of everything that you've tried and you feel like you kind of just want to like start back at zero, I feel like this is one of the best, inexpensive, easiest way to do that. Or if you just want shinier, healthier looking hair. All right, guys, if you haven't tried doing this, I hope you give it a try. I hope you guys let me know how it goes. I love giving you easy at-home tricks that you can do to help and enhance your hair. And like I said, I can't believe I haven't shared this super easy trick with you. So I hope everyone is having a fabulous week. A happy Halloween to all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.